So this really happened by accident, and I was testing these earbuds while answering some emails, not really paying too much attention to it. Then a particular song came on and I really caught myself rewinding it, then replaying one particular section again. That never really happens unless something sounds a little bit different. That was my first real moment with the Edifier Neobuds Planar, so is it any good? Let's check it out. So once I started paying attention to these earbuds, the physical experience started to make a lot of sense. The Neobuds Planar feels solid in the hands. It's not that heavy, but it's very dense in a reassuring way. When you put them on, they sit very evenly in my ears and stays there. No need for constant adjusting, no pressure points building up over time. So the squeeze control here feels deliberate, means you have to really mean what you're doing and press on it, which I much prefer. And it really avoids accidental touches and makes interaction feels more premium and intentional. And these earbuds are also built for real-world use, meaning it gets IP55 rating, and I did not worry about sweat, light rain, or even daily wear, and they feel like an earbuds that I can really live with, not something that you protect. So daily use is where these earbuds really earn my trust, and opening the case and Google Fast Pair pops up immediately, and the connection process is fast and frictionless, and once you're connected, stability is excellent. Multipoint here also works exactly as it should, and you can stay connected to your phone and your laptop at the same time. Switching between them feels natural, calls interrupt your music cleanly, and playback does resume without any problems. So there is also support for a wide range of modern Bluetooth codecs, including high quality and low latency options across different platforms. Whether you are using a Snapdragon based phone, LDAC or LHDC capable device, these earbuds will adapt to them automatically. And the key point is that you never have to go and manage all of these things manually. Music starts very quickly, it stays connected to your phone, and it basically sounds very consistent. And that is what good wireless earbuds really should feel like. So latency here is great with gaming mode turned on, and video playback stays properly in sync. Dialogue lines up naturally with movement. Casual gaming feels responsive without distracting delays between action as well as your sound. And all you need to do is just enable gaming mode, and it's not something that you need to dig into the settings, and everything's just there and it works. So ANC here is controlled and very comfortable. Instead of aggressively forcing silence and giving you that very pressured sound, the system adapts to your surroundings. Low frequency noises like engine rumbles, air conditioning, and background traffic is reduced very smoothly without creating that unwanted pressure in your ears. As your environment changes, as you move around, the adjustment just happens quietly and pretty seamlessly, and you do notice it switching if you pay attention to it. And if you're going about your day, it's pretty good and you just notice that the world just feels a lot calmer suddenly. Transparency mode here is equally natural. Voices come through very clearly and sounds realistic, making conversations easy without removing the earbuds. And this is where the Neobuds Planar truly separates themselves from most true wireless earbuds. And most earbuds today uses dynamic drivers, balanced armature drivers, or hybrid of both. Dynamic drivers usually focus on impact and warmth. Balanced armature prioritizes efficiency and detail, but both of these types of driver does comes with its own compromise. Planar magnetic drivers behave a little bit differently, so instead of pushing sound from a single point, the diaphragm moves evenly across its entire surface, and that uniform movement improves speed control and consistency across the frequency range. Combined with Edifier's second generation equal mass wiring design, distortion is kept very low and signal delivery stays very stable. And when you put these earbuds on, you hear the difference almost immediately. The soundstage is excellent. It's pretty wide but not exaggerated. There is just enough space and float to make the music feel open without losing focus or intimacy. Imaging is almost perfect, instrument separation is very clear, and even complex tracks remain easy to follow. Each instrument holds its position instead of blending together. So sub-bass goes deep and delivers a nice rumble, but it never becomes annoying or overly heavy. It adds some depth without making the sound dark. Mid-bass is firm and punchy, it is not muddy and not lacking either, which is impressive for a planar driver. Extension and accuracy are both very good. Vocals sit slightly on the mid-plane with a small recess. This gives them a gentle warm rather than pushing them too forward. Dynamic range is also very wide, so vocal sounds natural and expressive. Highs here are clear and sparkly. At louder volumes, they can get slightly sharp, but at normal listening levels, they remain clean and very detailed. So this is a test to see if the Edifier Neobuds Planar is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So from my test, the Neobuds Planar can get very loud, but more importantly, they stay composed as volume increases. There is no sudden distortion or no harshness creeping into the highs. Dynamics remain intact, which makes higher volume listening feel controlled rather than tiring. But as I mentioned earlier, it does get a little bit too sharp for certain songs. I get a nice comfortable listening volume at around 40%, and moving upwards of 75 to 80% volume feels too loud for me, for most genre of music, but it's also at this volume level that the earbuds really delivers its maximum quality potential. So the Edifier Connects app is clean and easy to navigate. You get battery status for your earbuds and case. You can manage your ANC's behavior. You can tweak EQ or use the preset ones. You can customize controls and even decide which ANC modes you want to toggle between. And you can even toggle spatial audio. All controls changes are instantly applied, and the layout is also very easy to navigate. Wireless charging is also supported here with this earbuds, which is an added layer of convenience. And you get fast charging as well. With 15 minutes in the case, you gives you 2 hours of listening without ANC. And everything here feels integrated and purposeful rather than just adding a pad of features to it. With ANC turned on, real-world listening lands around 5 hours with additional 15 hours of playback available from the charging case. And if you turn ANC off, that extends listening time significantly, giving you 7.5 hours and 22.5 hours with the case, making it easier to get through a long day without worrying about charging. So the Edifier Neobuds Planar is not trying to impress with exaggerated bass or flashy tuning. They take a different approach. By bringing planar magnetic drivers into a true wireless form, they focus on clarity, accuracy, imaging, and a more natural presentation of music, while still delivering that strong connectivity, useful features that Edifier always delivered, and reliable daily performance. If you care about sound quality and want something that feels thoughtful rather than just loud, these are worth serious consideration. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want another video, check out these videos up here.